Hey guys, Ed here, and in this quick video today I would like to show you how to check for your fluids under the hood in a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. So let's start. One thing I won't be able to show you is the automatic transmission fluid, because it has a manual gearbox. So let's start. Open the hood. Alright, so let's start with the basics. Our engine oil, okay? This is the engine oil dipstick, and this is the crankcase cover. This is where you fill in, pull in oil if you are low. So first thing, you check oil when the car is cold or it has been sitting for a while, okay? Because the engine has to be cold. Now to check. Okay, so first thing, you get the dipstick out and you dry it off. Don't look at reading, don't look at nothing, just dry it off. Then put it back in again, get it out, and now look at the reading and the condition. So the reading is up to here, okay? This is full, this is low, and we are somewhere here, okay? The level is okay, but what I don't like about this is the condition of oil. It's very dirty, okay? The oil is black, it has to be changed ASAP, okay? So yeah, that's something to do right now after the video. Now that's how you check the condition and level. If you have to pour some in, you unscrew this cap and pour some oil in there if you have to add, okay? But always don't overfill this, and when you're filling oil, engine oil, check level, okay? So you don't want to overfill. Now this is 520 viscosity of the oil, okay? Next thing, windshield washer fluid. This thing is like the often I use this very often, okay? So you can pour in windshield washer fluid, or you can use water if it's above freezing temperatures. Of course, it's better to use windshield washer fluid. It dries faster, it has nice smell, and it's not gonna leave stains on the windshield, and it's gonna clean better because it's a bit soapy. Next thing, radiator cap, okay? So this is our radiator cap, and this right here is our coolant reservoir. So when this is very important, you never open this or this when the car is hot, because the pressure builds up inside and you might open the cap and you get boiling antifreeze in your face. So only when the car is cold. So you just open this and over there you pour inside. Okay, so close it, make sure it's nice and tight. Next thing, brake fluid. This uses DOT3 brake fluid. Open the cap, look inside. If it's nice and clean, it's good. It should be leveled up to the top of the filter. You see the red sign, that's where the max is. Now please note that brake fluid doesn't evaporate, which means that if you are low on brake fluid, it means you are leaking somewhere, and if you're gonna leak too much, you're gonna lose brakes. So keep that in mind. So make sure you have everything is nice over there. Next thing, this car doesn't have a power steering fluid, okay? Because it has electric power steering pump. Another thing, the AC. We have, this is over here is high pressure AC hose, this is low pressure AC hose. But if you are not very familiar with cars and mechanically inclined and stuff like that, you shouldn't be touching, because this thing is under pressure, and you might damage a car, or you might damage yourself, and that's something you don't want. You should avoid that. So leave that to mechanics to check. As I said, transmission dipstick I don't have in this car because this is manual, okay? Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all pretty much you have to know about fluids. To check like which fluids types, you can always check in manual. So you get your manual and read it, or call your dealer. They will tell you which stuff you should use in your car and how often you should change oil. It all depends on the way you drive and where you drive and how often you drive. It all depends. So hope this helps. If it does, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye.